Fine, let us start solving the problem number 14. Right, Akhilesh runs a coffee shop and sells 51 cups of coffee in 6 hours. If this is 3/4 of the total number of cups he sells in the whole day, find out the number of cups he sells in a day. Right, so we are supposed to find how many cups he is going to sell in a day. Right, let the total number of cups Akhilesh sells in a day is X. Fine. Right, 3/4 of cups is going to sell in 6 hours, which is going to be 51. Right, let's simplify this. X is equal to 51 into 4, that divided by 3. Right, 3 ones are 3 17s are, right, 17 fours are, that is X is equal to 17 into 4, which is going to be 68. The total number of cups he is going to sell is 68 cups in a whole day. This is the answer.